Guys, welcome back to Three Roots Dentistry. Topic for today is principles of suturing. So there are 12 principles of suturing. We'll be studying one by one. The first principle states that the needle should be grasped at approximately 1/3 the distance from the eye and 2/3 from the point. Now as we know, this is the point and this is the eye of the needle. So the place where you have to hold or grasp the needle, it should be 2/3 the distance from the point and 1/3 the distance from the eye. So here is the point where you are going to grasp the needle. Principle states that the needle should enter the tissue perpendicular to the tissue surface. It should not enter like this from here or here. It should enter perpendicular to the tissue surface. The third principle states that the needle should pass through the tissues along its curve. So the needle should pass the tissue along its curvature or the curve. Principle states that the suture should be passed at an equal depth and distance from the incision on both the sides. So which means that this suture should pass with an equal distance or equal depth from the incision point. So this distance and this distance should be equal. This should be equal. Point or the fifth principle states that the needle always passes from the movable tissue to the fixed tissue. Or the sixth principle states that the needle always passes from the thinner tissue to the thicker tissue. Point states that the needle always passes from the deeper tissue to the superficial tissue. Point or eighth principle states that the tissue should never be closed in tension. Prior undermining of the tissues should be done. Principle states that the tissue should be tied to approximate the tissues and it should not blanch. The principle states that the knot should never be on the incision line. 11th principle states that the sutures should be placed at a greater depth than the distance from the incision so as to avert the wound margins. Now, from the level of incision, the sutures should be placed at a greater depth so that it covers the more part of the deeper layer of the skin. Now the 12th principle states that the sutures on the skin are removed in 5 days. Intraoral sutures are removed in 7 days, and if the tension is present while suturing, it should be removed after 10 days. Thank you.